to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I'm here to tell you about something kind of cool. We got a new pen set in here that I want to introduce you to. This one's by Molotow, and we've got other products like the liquid chrome pens and other things that we carry from them that are just absolutely fantastic, and this one is no different. This one is along the same lines as like Sakura's Pigment Micron or the Copic drawing pens, but kind of like price-wise falls in between those two options. We are going to have like singles available. The one set that I have here to show you is like a 4-pen set. The thing that's kind of interesting about these pens is that they are water resistant and smudge free up to a point. You know, they're talking about that it really ideally takes about 24 hours for them to set where they're completely like water resistant and stuff like that. But a really jet black, deep, immediate, you know, line quality, you know, great, you know, finish. You don't have like little lines that bleed and all that kind of stuff. I have found that the nib on the end is a little bit more delicate than say like a Pigment Micron or something like that. So just take a little bit more finesse than some of the others. But they also have some really kind of cool features. This has like a matte finish on the casing. It's a little easier to manipulate in your hand. They're not so slick and it's kind of nice. I mean, I thought, well, who cares? But it actually pretty cool in that it doesn't slip around. And also it has a really unusual feature in that they have what they call a 3-hour cap off time. So if you're the type, like many artsy types, to get a little bit distracted and absent-minded, this can stay cap free for up to 3 hours without drying out and ruining it. So, which makes it quite unusual. I wanted to show you how easy the line quality is with this. It's very, very precise and delicate. So the pens are just great quality, super fine, and I've enjoyed using these a lot. So I have a feeling that you will too if you're on the market for some really, really nice drawing pens. This is the place to come. Come see us here at Cheap Joe's and pick up a set of Molotow Blackliner pens. They are fantastic and we are sure you will enjoy.